lovely people, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you guys just a small clip of how I do my flat twist on wash day. Simple, easy style, and I'm basically using the Tresemme shampoo and conditioner to wash my hair. Nothing extravagant, just a simple wash day. I'm not treating my hair today, just washing my hair, and then we're gonna proceed to doing the flat twist. And a simple pro tip for you guys: if you notice, I haven't used a comb in my hair since I'm washing it. I'm just gently rubbing the roots and pulling the product through the hair gently, but I haven't used a comb. I barely comb my hair when I'm washing it. When I'm ready to detangle it, I take it section by section and tenderly detangle my hair, but I don't rag on my hair when I'm washing it, nor comb it really when I'm washing it. Okay, so that's a pro tip for you guys. And I have gone ahead and detangled my hair and sectioned it, and now I'm just gonna proceed to twist the lovely twist. And I'll be using the Design Essential Daily Moisturizing Hair Lotion. That's the only thing I'm using in my hair, along with the Eco Gel. So I just pass the hair lotion through my hair, and it's really nice, really good for natural hair. It softens the hair a little as well and add a little moisture to it. And then I just add the Eco Gel afterwards and twist down slowly, 2-strand twist. So now you're basically gonna do the flat twist. You're doing normal 2-strand twist, just like you will twist 2-strand, closely but loosely at the same time, and you go down like you're doing a cornrow, but instead you're twisting. And when you begin to twist the rest of the hair, you twist it loosely but closely. Simple, very easy and quick, and you'll see how you'll get lovely, juicy, fluffy 2-strand twist with just Eco Gel and water. So one more time for these flat, juicy 2-strand twists. You'll just go down, 2-strand twist, closely but loosely at the same time. And that's it, guys. So there you have it, guys, my lovely juicy 2-strand twist, flat twist to be exact. And you can achieve this just the same. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, share with a friend, subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a video. And I'll definitely see you in my next video.